luxurious, spacious living area the way you want. It could be your modular kitchen, and you have a spacious, grand master bedroom. There's ample amount of. Hello everyone, and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Nambiar Millennia, which is located at off Sajapura Road by the builder Nambiar, for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail. But before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an enquiry or number shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 7 acres with 600 units. The available stories are ground plus 14 floors, and the available variants are 1, 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. DMart is just 8 kilometers away from this project. Chandapura is just 5 kilometers away. Bomasandra metro station is just 8 kilometers away. Electronic City is 10 kilometers away. And yes, many other landmarks are very close to this project. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has all the modern amenities like gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool and many more. Right now we are in front of 2.5 BHK sample flat called Nambiar Millennia by the builder Nambiar, which is located at off Sajapura Road for a sample flat tour. So let's get inside. So yes, this is your luxurious, spacious living area. So yes, you can customize it the way you want. That could be your television space, and this could be your sofa area, and this way would be your dining area, which you can customize it the way you want. So yes, this is the spacious living area, and now it's time to check the balcony. So this is your balcony with the French sliding door, which is super long and spacious, where you can spend your evening time with snacks and coffee. So yes, this is your balcony. And now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this way to the kitchen. So this is your kitchen, which you can customize it the way you want. It could be your modular kitchen, and you have a utility space over here where you can put your refrigerator. And again over here also we have some corner space, which you can customize it the way you want with modular kitchen or some storage units. And now it's time to check the study room. So this is your study room, again super spacious. You can customize it the way you want, and this room has a window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom in this 2.5 BHK flat. So super spacious, and you can customize it the way you want. You can put your bed and wardrobe here, and this could be your study area or your dressing area. And now it's time to check the bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there is a window for ventilation. And again, this room comes with a big window over there for natural sunlight and for ventilation. And now it's time to check the third bedroom, also called the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide a sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to check the master bedroom. So this is your spacious, grand master bedroom. There's ample amount of space to put your bed and to customize your wardrobe, your dressing area and your study area. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. And again, the master bedroom comes with a big window over there for sunlight and for ventilation. So yes friends, this was all about 2.5 BHK sample flat tour called Nambiar Millennia by the builder Nambiar, which is located at off Sajapura Road. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the project, do mention it in the comment section below. And if you have heard about this builder, yes, share your experience with us. And before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about such beautiful videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Nambiar Millennia, which is located at off Sajapura Road by the builder Nambiar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.